sabía traducir, ya me lo sabía.
Thank you very much. Now I present you Naya and Elise getting the country.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, now for a trick. We need one volunteer for this trick. Is there a volunteer?
Come on, don't worry, it's a very easy. Okay, you!
Of course.
Here we have some Diane cards.
Now I'm going to go out. You are going to choose one card, and when I come back in, I will guess which card it was. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, see you in a minute.
Now, okay, now that's the finger and that's the finger. Okay, Naya, come in. Now the last card it was this was on this.
Let me see. Yes, this one. I think it was this one.
Did you like the tree?
Yes.
And then the sky tree with the Diana and Diana.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, now for our treat.
I have this beautiful scarf. Put this scarf carefully.
Now I'm going to pass the scarf through my knee. Do you believe that?
Yes.
Your attention. Your attention, please.
1, 2, and 3. It has magically passed through to my neck. The last but not the least tree, the toothpick tree with the dot and line.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, now for our treat. I have a nutpick, an ordinary nutpick.
Now I put the napkin on the table. Now I take the toothpick and put it in the middle.
Now I fold it, and I fold it, and I fold it, and I fold it. We need a volunteer. Is there a volunteer?
Come here, please. What's your name? Okay, Travis. Can you feel the toothpick?
Now Abby, please the look. Did you hear it?
Yes.
Hey, presto! Here is the toothpick.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, I have three people with very funny jokes to tell you. Their names they are Aymar, Eric, and Lies. eat yesterday newspaper.
Was one down finding a word in your apple, finding half a word.
Now it's the clown star. Say hello to Bob Jolly. Hello everybody, how are you? How are you? Got this. It's a quote. Hello, how are you? Johnny, come here. Hello, how are you? Johnny, come here. Johnny, come here. Very funny. Very funny. Let's go with Johnny. Do you want to play? Yes, of course. Let's play. Simon says sit down, please. Okay. Come on, Johnny, sit down properly. Sorry, Pop. Simon says start your ear. Here. Simon says stand up. Simon says dance. Simon says sit down, please. Come here, I got you. Sit down, I got you. The two Spanish clowns doing the biscuit escape. Hello, what is your name? Eneco. They can put. I bet you 10 euros they can put this biscuit where the rest can see. I can see it, but you cannot see it. Okay, it's a bet. I'm going to close your eyes. Now open your eyes. Now, ladies and gentlemen, can you see the biscuit?
No.
Yes. I can see the biscuit, but you cannot see the biscuit, so the money for me is Ooh, I lost 10 euros. That's not bad. I can do tax too. No, you can't. Yes, I can. No, you can't. Yes, I can. I can put the biscuit where the others can see it. I can see the biscuit, but you cannot see the biscuit. Okay, I bet you 10 euros again. Close your eyes. Okay, open your eyes. Now, ladies and gentlemen, can you see the biscuit?
Yes.
I can see the biscuit, but you cannot see the biscuit, so the money is for me. No, wait. The biscuit is on my head, so the money is for me. Ha 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 ha. Boo, I lost 20 euros, that's not right. Boo. Finish the clown star, the silly magic trick with Reñata Lunar. Would you like to see a magic trick?
Yes, of course.
Here are my plate, a coin, and a handkerchief.
What are going to do?
You put the plate in the handkerchief and the coin in the floor.
Put the plate in the handkerchief and the coin in the floor. Okay, what next?
This is the most important part of the trick. Now for the handkerchief, carry it very carefully.
Like this?
Very good. Now stand for the coin 3 times.
1, 2, 3.
What a lovely motor what is this?
Silly joke, I'm going to catch you.
I'm singing the song, just dancing the song. What a wonderful feeling! I don't want to go. And the sun, chuka 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 chuka. I'm singing the song, just dancing the song. What a wonderful feeling! I don't want to go. And the sun, is red. Chuka 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 chuka. I'm singing the song, just dancing the song. What a wonderful feeling! I don't want to go. And the sun is red. Bottom up. Chuka 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 chuka. Chuka 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 chuka. I'm singing the song, just dancing the song. What a wonderful feeling! I don't want to go. Hands up, knees bent, bottom up, turn around. Chuka 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 chuka. Chuka 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 chuka. I'm singing and dancing in the sun. One, two, and three. Did you like the show?
Yes.
Thank you for coming to the show. See you.